Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to stop Discord from automatically opening whenever you start the PC. So, sometimes Discord will keep launching by itself when you turn on your PC, and in here, don't worry, you can easily disable these settings. So first, just open your Discord on your PC, and then next, just go to your user settings. This one, at the gear icon like this, and then after that, just go to System. And then in here at the automatically open Discord when your computer starts up, just make sure this option is off like this. And if still on, just turn it off directly. And just like that, Discord will no longer automatically launch every time you start your PC. And beside this way, you can also settings the startup apps to the task manager. You can press the Control plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboards to open your task manager like this. And then next, just go to this icon, this startup icons, this one that has a speedometer icons, this one. And then in here, just search for the Discord app. And if you don't find the Discord apps, usually it means the Discord not on your startup apps again. And you successfully to stop Discord from automatically opening whenever you start your PC. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.